We'll see a problem on projection of planes. So for that, here is a question. A set square of 30, 60, 90 degree having the shortest edge 40 mm long appears as a set square of 45 degree in top view. Draw its projections and state the inclination with HP. So this is the question in front of us. Now here I'll be explaining the conditions step by step. So let us get started. Now I need to draw the set square either in VP or HP. So let us decide that where to draw. The condition is set square of 30, 60, 90 degree having shortest edge 40 mm long appears as a set square of 45 degree in the top view. So if it is appearing as a set square in the top view, it means by first angle method of projection that set square should be there in HP. So the initial condition would be to draw the set square in HP and having the shortest edge 40 mm long. So the shortest edge will be in HP, or in other words the entire set square will be in HP. So I'll start drawing that. 40 mm long. 30, 60, 90 degree set square, so it can be drawn in such a way that keeping the point here, and that set square has 60 degree from the top. Here I'm giving the rotations. Now this set square we are looking it from the top. So when we are looking from front, it will appear as a line because since the set square is a plane, it doesn't have any thickness. The next condition is it appears as a set square of 45 degree in the top view. So for that, projecting a light horizontal line. Now it will appear as a set square of 45 degree when I'm going to keep edge AB as fixed and turn this set square about point C. So then only it will appear as a set square of 45 degree. For that I'll keep AB as fixed. Now this 60 degree angle will become 45 degree. These are the points A dash, B dash. Next, here this is point C. So measuring the length of the cutting plane A dash, B dash up to C dash. Keeping A dash, B dash and cutting this line with the help of an arc. Here I get C dash. So this is the inclination of the plane with HP seen in VP, that is theta. Next I'll make it dark. So here it has become an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to BC. I'll find this inclination 54 degree. Therefore, the inclination of the plane with HP is theta is equal to 54 degree. Then I'll give the dimensions here. 40 mm. This is the true shape. Here is the apparent shape. And with this, the problem gets completed.